Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to your virtual class. So, here is chapter number 3 Sense of Animal, part number 3. So, in last class, we have studied about sleeping habits of animals and also duration of sleeping time of different animals. So, our today's topic is animal and their sleeping postures. Now, we'll study about different animals, how they sleep, and what is their posture while sleeping. Okay, animals do not sleep like us. Different animals sleep in different ways. Fishes and cows sleep with their eyes open while bats sleep hanging upside down from a tree. Okay, so it is true animals do not sleep like us. Animal हमारे जैसे नहीं सोते हैं. Different animals sleep in different way. सबका अपना अपना तरीका होता है. So animals का भी different तरीका होता है सोने का. Okay, so here is an example. Fishes and cows sleep with their eyes open. So fishes and cows स्लीप विद देयर आइज़ ओपन, वो अपनी आइज़ ओपन करके सोते हैं. वाइल बैट्स स्लीप हैंगिंग अपसाइड डाउन फ्रॉम अ ट्री, वाइल जो बैट्स हैं वो ट्रीज से हैंग होके सोते हैं. हॉर्स स्लीप वाइल स्टैंडिंग. ओके, सो हॉर्स स्लीप वाइल स्टैंडिंग, वो खड़े होते होते ही सो जाता है. Sea mammals like whales and dolphins sleep with a half of their brain awake so that they remain conscious to breathe and swim. Okay, so like mammals and whales and dolphins, they sleep with their with half of their brain awake so that they are aware of that they have to breathe also and they have to swim also. So whale dolphin ये जो है ये अपना ब्रेन थोड़ा सा ओपन करके सोती हैं क्योंकि इनको कॉन्शियस रहना होता है कि इनको स्विम भी करते जाना है while sleeping. Okay. A whale or a dolphin may get drowned in the sea if it does not keep its half brain awake while sleeping. Okay, so this is true. Whale or dolphin, if they do not keep their half brain open, then they may get drowned in the sea. So they have to keep their brain open while sleeping. अगर वो अपना brain open नहीं करेंगी तो वो sea के अंदर ड्रोन हो सकती हैं. So this is not good. So they have to keep their half brain open. Rabbits and moles sleep in burrows while seals and hippos sleep underwater. Okay, so rabbit and moles are the one who sleep in burrows and while seals and hippos sleep underwater. Rabbit और moles जो हैं वो burrow में सोते हैं and seals and hippos जो हैं वो water के अंदर सोते हैं. Animals such as elephants, giraffes, zebras, bisons and deer sleep in the open. Okay, so here is the example. Elephants, giraffes, zebra, bisons and deer, they sleep in the ओपन. दे स्लीप इन ओपन एरिया, ये ओपन एरिया में सोते हैं. दे डू नॉट हैव बरोज और वाटर, दे स्लीप इन द ओपन एरिया. monkeys, pandas and leopards sleep on tree branches. Okay, so monkeys, pandas and leopards are the example who sleep on tree branches. ये जो examples हैं ये कहाँ सोते हैं? tree branches के ऊपर. See, sleeping cow posture, sleeping horse posture, sleeping rabbit posture. Yes, so here is the example of different posture of cow, horse and rabbit. Okay, see, sleeping monkey posture, sleeping panda's posture, sleeping giraffe's posture. So everybody has its different posture. Like we humans also have different postures of sleeping, such that animals also have different postures of sleeping. Okay, so now our next topic is animal communicates with each other. Now we'll see how animals communicate with each other. Animal communicates to attract mates, to express fear or danger, hunger, and to identify the member of their group. Okay, so like us also, animals also communicate with each other so that they can identify that who are their member of their group, and also to express fear or to express danger or to attract mates and to show the hunger. Yes, so animals भी communicate करते हैं अपना danger को express करने के लिए, fear बताने के लिए, mates को attract करने के लिए, अपनी hunger को बताने के लिए, और ये भी identify करने के लिए कि उनके group का member कौन कौन है. They use different sounds to transmit the feeling of fear, anger and joy. So yes, they also have a different sounds. There is a different sound of feeling of fear, there is different sound of anger, there is different sound of joy, so that they are well understood about each other language. उन सबको पता होता है, वो एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. उनकी जो साउंड्स होते हैं वो डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द फीलिंग्स. येस, Zebras communicate with each other with facial expression and sounds. Okay, so zebra is the one which communicate with each other with facial expression and sound. वो फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन और साउंड के संग एक दूसरे के संग कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. मेल वेल्स यूज द सॉन्ग्स टू कम्युनिकेट विथ फीमेल्स. ओ माई गॉड. ओके, मेल वेल्स यूज देयर सॉन्ग्स टू कम्युनिकेट विथ फीमेल्स. जो मेल वेल्स होते हैं वो सॉन्ग्स के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट करते हैं विथ फीमेल्स वेल्स, नॉट अस फीमेल्स वेल्स. ओके, एलिफेंट्स यूज देयर ट्रंक्स टू talk to other herds over long distances. Okay, so animals the one who use their trunk, वो अपनी trunk का use करते हैं to talk to other herds over long distances. जो long distances पे other elephants होते हैं उनको कुछ बताने के लिए they use their trunks. Wolves now to call other wolves in the pack. Okay, so वो pack के अंदर बुलाते हैं. Wolves now to call other wolves in the pack. Sounds whether of barking, chirping, roaring, screaming or squeaking all help the different animals to communicate among themselves. Okay, so these are the different sounds which help animals to communicate with each other. The example of these sounds are barking, chirping, roaring, screaming, squeaking. So these all are the sounds which help them to communicate with each other. ये सारे sounds जो हैं ये इनको हेल्प करते हैं एक दूसरे के संग कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए. सी, जेब्रा कम्युनिकेट्स विद ईच अदर लाइक दिस, वेल्स कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर लाइक दिस, बर्ड कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर लाइक दिस. ओके, so I hope you all understood well this topic. Now next topic is protection of wildlife. Wildlife is a very important part of our environment. Wildlife refers to wild animals or plants living in their natural habitat. So yes, it is correct. Wildlife is very much important and it is a part of our environment. And also wildlife refers to the wild animals which live in jungle and plants living in their natural habitat. Due to reduction in number or extinction of even one kind of bird or animal species, the balance in our environment gets disturbed. So yes, it is true. If there is a reduction in number or there is an extinction or even one kind of bird or animal species, the balance gets disturbed, which is not good for our environment. अगर कोई भी species बढ़ती जा रही है, सिर्फ एक species या एक species बहुत कम होती जा रही है, this is not good for our environment. हमारा जो environment का balance है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस आवर गवर्नमेंट हैज सेट अप नेशनल पार्क्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज ऑल ओवर इंडिया. यू मस्ट बी अवेयर अबाउट द नेशनल पार्क्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज दैट आर being developed in our India. The government has maintained these national parks and wildlife sanctuaries so that our main wildlife is not get disturbed. Yes, ये wildlife sanctuaries और national parks क्यों बनाए गए हैं? So that हमारी wildlife जो है वो protected रहे. A number of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks have been set up to protect the natural habitat of birds and animals. So yes, it is true. They are being settled so that our natural habitats of birds and animals do not get disturbed. Okay, at present there are over 100 national parks and over 500 wildlife sanctuaries in India. So yes, at present in our India there is 100 national parks and over 500 wildlife sanctuaries in India. हमारे इंडिया में 100 national parks and over 500 wildlife sanctuaries हैं. Hunting of wild animals and birds is legally banned and is punishable in our country. So it is a crime if you hunt any wild animal or a bird. It is legally banned in our country. So we do not have to do this, and also we have to protect our wildlife. Okay students, so it is the end of the chapter. I hope you all understood well. You have to read the chapter not only once, not only twice, you have to read the chapter thrice, because questions come between the chapter also. So you have to read the chapter quickly. Okay students, so bye all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.